Hey guys, Dave here. Just heading out in behind my place here for a quick boil up and campfire. And trying out the snowshoes again. A little bit more snow this time. Supposed to be getting some more snow starting in another hour or two, and I think Tuesday about another close to a foot, I guess, forecasted. So this is right behind my place, and just to show you how close I am to the great outdoors. A couple 100 yards and I'm in the woods, so I'm enjoying these snowshoes. You say I'm gonna head in through right there. Last time I was in here, quite a number of years ago, I had a guy, I was teaching him how to build a lean-to, so survival shelter. I haven't been in here since, and that was a shame to say. It was about over 10 years ago now, and so I'm curious to see what's left to it. So I'll check back with you guys shortly once I get in and find a location to have our campfire. Hey guys, so here I am. Of course, the lean-to is not standing now. It would have been over right there. So I found a pretty good location here. As you can see, we got lots of dry sticks, small stuff, lots of stuff to get the fire going. This stuff here, all that stuff, and I think I'm probably gonna have it right here. I'll be in out of the wind because the wind is forecasted to pick up coming from that direction, blowing this way, out of the southeast. So, and I'll probably have my fire right there under that silly stump there. So I'm in a pretty good spot where I can gather up lots of tinder, lots of dry wood that's left up standing. I don't have to bend over, I don't have to exert too much energy in cutting the wood. I'm going to show you, I got a tool I've been wanting to do a video on to share with. It's a 4-in-1. Zippo makes it. It's about $100. It's an axe, a saw, a brush saw, and a stake driver and a stake puller for your tent pegs. Great tool for camping. Comes with 2 blades inside the case, but anyway, I'll show you that once I get all set up. So what I'm going to do first of all is, with my snowshoes, compact down all the snow around the area where I'm going to be working, and I'll start gathering up some wood and that. So you say this is only about a 5-minute walk in back of my place, so it's convenient for if you just want to get away. I know I'm already away, but just to be outside and enjoying the fresh air is what it's all about. And for me to have that luxury of just 5 minutes away to be out here in the woods, I'll take that any day. So like I say, this is a great little location for if you were to spend a night, whether it be a snow quimsy, a lean-to, prospector tent, wall tent, tarp shelter. These are the locations you want to choose because you're kind of sheltered from all the elements. You use what's around you to protect you. And this little spot here is great because there's all kinds of dry wood. And there's an old orange ribbon there. I see another one through there. It may have been my father that had a couple of rabbit snares here once upon a time, but so even if you wanted to set a rabbit snare and cook that, roast that over the fire. So I can actually use this right here as a pot hanger if I wanted to over the campfire. It's already there, you know. If I wanted to use it, I could. It's a possibility. So, anyway. I'll get my backpack off, get everything set up, and I'll get back to you. So guys, here it is. It's a Zippo 4-in-1. I think it's called the Outdoorsman. There's your stake driver, your axe, which has got a protective handle for when you're sawing. This is a stake puller, and your blades are in there. Those are 2 blades, as you can see, and they snap on and hook on pretty quickly onto right here. So I'll set that up for you and show you. I haven't used it a whole lot, but a couple of times I did. I really enjoyed it. So that's the axe. Whoops, there goes my blades. But anyway, as you can see, you got your notches there for striking with your ferrocene rod as well. So set this up. Pretty simple setup. So all you do, like so, hooks in there, and the 2 holes are for the inside holes. Are eventually, once the blade stretches after a lot of use. So that. I don't know how well you can see this on the camera, but anyway, there's your bush saw. Nice rubber handle. I'm going to go over and cut a few off of that dry one there. I don't want to bend over. I may even get those, so let's see how that goes. Get back in a second. Very little effort. You're exerting. Nice sharp saw. I like the fact that it's got a saw because you're not chopping or swinging, or you're not using as much energy. And when you're out in survival situations, you're just out enjoying the elements. Controlling how many calories you burn and how much energy you're exerting, you got to balance that out very carefully, and especially someone like me that's got some back issues, so works good. Alright guys, I just had a quick hot chocolate. I was going to have a meal, but the weather is moving in a lot quicker than I expected, so I'm going to head back to the cabin now. But I made sure the fire was extinguished. I am going to be coming back here. I think what I may do is come in and maybe spend a full day or maybe even a night out here, because like I say, I'm right in my backyard, so anything uneventful, then at least I know I got no issues getting out of here. So I know there's lots of dry wood around, and like I say, I've got this all set up now, so I can possibly put up a tarp shelter right on the back side there, and maybe even a firewall right here. But we're gonna head out. It was a great way to spend the afternoon. It's something like this is for anybody that gets the winter blues because it's cold and snow, and well, with the right clothing and a pair of snowshoes, no excuse why you can't get out and enjoy the scene. I believe the lean-to that I had would have been set up, I think it was in right there, but all the wind that we get here, we get some crazy windstorms, so I guess it didn't last the 10 years that was expected. So my place is just right there, so hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. I'm gonna be doing some more winter camping with the Prospector tent in the very near future, and I've got a few other things to share with you, and so stay tuned, and all you guys out there, get out and enjoy the great outdoors, and thanks for watching.